S-Bench 6 provides the possibility to save the recorded signals in different data formats. The software uses its own S-Bench 6 data format as standard. The signals can also be saved in binary, WAV, ASCII, VCD or MATLAB format. Let's try it. Click File to open the pull-down menu and choose Export Save to see all the possible types. Another way is to go to the Input Channels dialog, choose a channel or card node and click the right mouse button to open the context menu. Choose Export and, for this example, click ASCII as export format to open the Export Channels dialog. The pre-selected signals are listed in the Selected Channels area. You can adjust the selection using the Add or Remove buttons. In the Length area, you determine whether the complete signals or only parts of them should be exported. Use the pull-down menu to see the options, like between cursors. As an example, choose User-Defined to set a specific range of samples, or set a specific time frame. Under File Name, you can specify the path and name for the export file. There are also some settings that depend on the selected file format. Press the OK button to start the export. To import data to S-Bench 6, click File and then in the pull-down menu, choose Import Load. As the next step, choose the desired data format and select one or several files with the file browser. Afterwards, the imported signals are shown in the channel dialog.